Where's this Madala now? My guy, sit where? I can't sit here in this grass. This grass. Very expensive, this one.
Yeah, get out of pants. More than this, get out of pants.
My guy, mind your own business.
No, tell them.
What is your problem?
Jokera kunyumba. Nili ukajoshua na kujopeki. Mina jokera kunyumba.
My guy, leave me alone.
Ukajoshua na kujopeki. Mina jokera kunyumba. Kwanga vingereliwa problem pambili. Wabona kuti mina nafika la. Nashana mzini wami nabonisiwa kuti kuna wanu wakuya kude kufikerera. Naona kuti kuna bantu wane ma problem too much. Nimundi okusiza abantu kuti muntu ngashupeki nikona. Wena problem yako ibafazi women you know.
Level chako.
Mi fazi wako ibizo lake bati sipilisiwe something sipilipira.
Musipilisiwe.
Sipiriri.
Yeah, lona lelo makosi.
Wabona sipilipili wakuona bafana sometimes. Kuti muntu wakukamba kuona bafana kodwa ke wabona kuti kuba beach kwake akukwa serious kakuru pro into yakufanela kuti wena uyeze wakuroka. Nakunikeza
yena waloka mina.
No, mina nakunika mutu wone wakufika waroka di.
Nimloke ye.
Finish.
Alapo finish makosi.
Roka mutu kuti kungakwanisa mutu kusondera kuti mina waroka di wakutora muti wakujura all over the world. Akuna mutu muti wakutora ukufana naro. Mutiro wakugejua pansi mgodini pansi deep. Malawi.
This is nonsense. So you are here to lock your wife. But I thought you were here for better business. So you are here to this man to lock your wife.
No,
let me tell you something. My guy, if that girl does not like you, leave her. Let her go. If you are too scared to go there and find girl, I see this your darkness. You are too dark. Maybe that's why you think maybe these girls won't listen. If you don't mind, I will share with you. I got plenty of these girls. I'm here to strengthen my business.
Oh! Kakunyengera ya kumarawi ya kujongera ye makurukuru yanga nikuchera kuti into yakuyenzekara nikunika muti wakuroka straight okumuroka sipereperero kuti angapinde kuona muntu kuti kweza into kupuma trendeni kuona bafana kangani kuti nabona kuti mfazi wako ungati una ma batini zinga ne kuba ni ma.
It's not drumstick, it's drumstick, yeah. That is nonsense. Why I want to look Kuma? Are you desperate? Are you that desperate to look Kuma? My guy, you see, these guys are not what you get.
Joy!
No, that is nonsense. No, I'm telling you. It's better come to me, I'll give you my own dear. You're wasting our time. We're here to
I need Jabuleri into it.
We're here for
kuruma. I need Jabuleri into it.
I don't understand at all.
I need Jabuleri into it. Wena?
No, this nonsense. I'm here for business.
Wabona kuti wakutsamuka indugure yakomba kuti wena njera zako zakuba break.
That is nonsense. Nonsense break for here. Break my
foot. Hapo urungisa na urungisa foot.
This nonsense here. Remain with this.
Wena kutumela bitikoro chikoni baba za kuchaya bitikoro sina kuchera.
I don't care. Oh.
Ungapinde futhi ubuyela ukuthi kufuna isizo kabe kinile Nigeria yakore. Brother swine. Wabona ukuthi wakutukelisa lizozira manje badala kuba emakaya bakuthi bakunipanisha ukuthi nisinda abantu bakweza so kanitani tole
alikuwa nini kumchanga remote umuntu odelera
Jose alivume ukuthi niganga ni roimi
manje umuntu oyenza so makosi
ni roimi
umuntu ezogangela khona apha phambi
namutumela bafana bancane bakumugijimisa strong na kuchera so kwazo kumugijimisa kugijima kufanika ne donkey waiona donkey kuti yakijima kanjani yakukonya kuti yagime mukijimisa lo yakutera so so ndoni yakuyenza katesi nakukasuka nafuna kuti nilungise into zami nakunika muti wa hapo nakunika muti okuroka siperepere wa muroka di muti nakunika wona wote wakufika wakumterera tieni oporigin kuti wakazajarapo wotsedire yonkinto kwazi kuti muntu wakumtora lokuroku di finish and clear
batole bendawo
watora wantu wakubatora ndawonye bakania iro kristirate
yes
wafuna kuti kwenzeke roko ne
batembakali
wabona bafazi baku these days bafazi bakunsuku za kudina problem bosi pilipili naba problem bagijimisa imali wabona kuti bafana kuma Nigeria laba bane mari nini ila bagijimela kona tora muntu karokiwe straight
Ifuna na liyani njengaliya kuyenzakala uveli mntana.
Nikuyenzela yona straight futhi leyimo.
Lapho ngabonga.
Umuntu akukonfessa kutshela abantu ukuthi yevele kudala niganga nibafasi babantu nilala kuma uveli nilala kuma tembisa nibafasi babantu diwa kuwanjiwa umuntu umthola wona 99.
Lapho liyabelichayi khona mntana. But yanti lizanika lokho umkhiyunula.
Umuntu ulisiya kumnikeza umuntu wokukhiyunula ukuthi niye kubhadala yena kukhiyunuliwa.
Ozozibhadalela yena.
Uyabhadala yena umuntu lo. Umuntu le unezinju 5 una quantum una everything ma BM umuntu wakuba rich. Is a rich person.
Yikho abantu abalemali bezenzela umathanda emphakathini.
Abantu bakuba nemali bakulala nemfazi wakho anytime. Awuyazi wena problem. Nakunika muti wapenda wena. Kuti muntu ulo wajungulisa moya wami ifuna kupumura nakunika muntu wapenda wena.
Yanyabonga makosi.
Nikutelile kuti wakutera half teaspoon.
Yeah.
Half teaspoon. Zonke zakuchangana manje. Zakulunga zonke.
You all right makosi.
Wakubongiwa muti.